Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Hostinger email profile picture. So in order to do this, first of all, go to hostinger.com and sign in. From your dashboard, open emails and choose the domain linked email account whose picture you want to update. Now, click manage email account, choose open webmail and Hostinger uses Titan Mail or Roundcube for some older plans. Once inside webmail, look for the settings or profile icon, usually at the top right corner. In webmail, navigate to settings, choose profile, choose edit profile, and here you will find the option to upload or change your profile photo. Click change picture or upload new photo. Choose a clear square image like JPG or PNG format under 5 MB. Once uploaded, crop or adjust it as needed and click save or apply changes. The picture will now appear on your outgoing emails if a recipient's client support it. If the old photo is still shows, refresh your webmail or clear the browser cache. In some cases, email clients like Gmail or Outlook may take a few hours to reflect the new avatar. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.